But when I was 6 years old, my parents moved to Manhattan, New York, because my father was a free thinker and he was not orthodox at all. But he loved Yiddish. And so we were brought up speaking Yiddish. I didn't even know English until I was, of course, in the street with my friends. I knew English. I lived in Harlem. Harlem was a Yiddish neighborhood at that time. And I was about 8 years old, where my father wanted me really to know Yiddish. So he registered me in Sholem Aleichem Folk Shul. That was a Jewish school right on the next block from me. And I went there where I learned to read Yiddish and write Yiddish. And I knew the stories of the Yiddish writers, and it was so very interesting.